Congratulations! You're ready to start earning and perhaps helping your favorite cause with the Instant Recall app. Here's a quick tutorial on how to get started. Whoever invited you to download the app will have included their personal referral code. It's important to use this for the network structure to work properly. You can click on the link in the message or go directly to the App Store. And remember, the Instant Recall app is free. No credit card or bank information will ever be requested. When you sign up, the referral code may be automatically filled in. If your download brings you to this sign-in screen, do not use an existing account the first time you sign in. Instead, click the Sign Up link. Then you can enter your information on the sign-up screen, including the referral code you were sent. If you don't have that, be sure to contact the person who originally invited you. Now it's time to establish your own network. The home screen of the Instant Recall app will be a map. Clicking on the Points button in the upper right-hand corner will bring you to your referrals screen. Here you can see the name of the person who shared the link with you, as well as your own referral code to use in building your network. When you click the Invite Now button, you will have a number of options, from text to email to Twitter to WhatsApp. When you choose a method to send out the invite, this message will auto-generate. You can edit it if you like. I strongly recommend that you type in your referral code again at the beginning. It doesn't always show within the link when you send it to an iPhone. When your connections download the app and enter your referral code, they will show up on your referral screen. When they in turn invite others who sign up, you will see a plus sign next to their name and can click on that to see your additional recruits. As your network grows, so will the points on your home screen. If you still have questions on how the Instant Recall app works, where the revenue comes from, and how it builds, check out our introductory video. Scan the QR code on the screen or check out the link in the comments below. Have fun getting your own revenue stream going.